Mike here with Credit Capital Builders. Let's break down the United States Senate Federal Credit Union, or USSFCU, and why it might be the right choice for your financial needs. USSFCU is one of the few credit unions offering true nationwide access to both personal and high-limit business credit products. For businesses, they've got a line of credit that goes up to $250,000 and a business credit card with limits up to $50,000. That's some serious flexibility for managing finances. Now here's something different about USSFCU. You can't get pre-qualified up front like you might with other credit unions. You'll need to become a member first before you can see any offers or submit applications. So, if you're used to checking your approval odds ahead of time, keep this in mind. What really makes USSFCU stand out is that membership isn't limited to government employees or politicians anymore. Anyone can join. There are two simple ways to get in. Option 1. Join the U.S. Capitol Historical Society with a $65 donation. Option 2. Join the Virginia chapter of the American Consumer Council. It's completely free. Here's how you join through VCC. Visit their website and fill out a short form. Use promo code USSFCU to waive the $15 membership fee. You'll get your VCC membership certificate by email. Make sure to save it for your records. Once you're officially a member, you can apply for personal and business credit products with just one Experian hard pull. But here's an important heads up. USSFCU is strict when it comes to check systems. If your banking history has issues like overdrafts or too many new accounts, even good credit might not be enough to get approved. Check the links in the description.